Kanji 1998 said that total quality management is defined as a method or means of achieving customer satisfaction as a key focus. TQM also defined as an organizational way of living committed to customer satisfaction through continuous improvement. And also TQM defined as a process as corporate value at meetings and exceeded customer expectation and significantly reduced costs due to poor quality by adapting new management system and corporate culture.
My name is Khairunnisa binti Muhammad Azad. Today I will to present a approach in total quality management TQM. The first TQM, customer focus, determine the quality of a product or service by need and requirement. 2. Employer engagement. Overall engagement enable the company to provide best quality to its customer. 3. Centralized process. Begin with accepting input supplier and converting them to output that will be sent to the customer. 4. Integrated system. A well-integrated system will give a well and clear vision, mission, goal and objective of the company. 5th, in TQM, systematic strategy. All the activities that have the same objective should be integrated into one plan to manage by one chairman only. 6. Continuous improvement. Improvement that drive company to perform analysis and become more competitive and effective in achieve the goal. 7. Approach in TQM, fact-based decision making. Official election, all members of the organization are selected based on the technical qualification and competition. And the last approach in TQM, communication. A good communication will also drive and strive toward achieve its corporate goal. And thank you.
My name is Nurhazimah binti Rashidi. Today I want to present about viewpoint about TQM in today's context. TQM use a tool toward the reform or change point of the administrative system to achieve high management standard and to achieve the Vision 2020 goal. TQM innovate on administrative produce such as reducing problems inherent in the bureaucracy and improving efficiency in delivering service. Third, TQM using concept 5S, which practice of sight, short, sweep, uniform and always charity is one that should be practiced because of its effective and efficient impact that will help an agency improve its quality and environment. Fourth, TQM forces in customer focus. Use of a smile for the civil servant at the counter to indicate that the civil servant is ready to serve in any way and situation to the customer. Finally, TQM use a benchmark for the government to improve the quality of service in the public sector.
Related example, customer focus. Customer complaint, collecting right feedback, analyze customer complaint to resolve the problem. Employee engagement, creating the culture they want, focus on transparency. Next is centralized process. The management system is process central, integrated from enterprise level down through all level of process in the organization process architecture. Next is integrated system, views as aggregate production system consisting of each constituent shop and section. The machine and unit making up the production line are usually considered the element of the integrated system. Next is systematic strategy. We set up an experimental design study to investigate a new drug called ABC pain reliever. Our research question is focused on how well the new ABC pain reliever drug works when we will compare it with others. It is good or not going well. Next is continuous improvement. Car use fuel to start the engine. In further, car not need fuel to start the engine, which is Porsche. Next is fact-based decision making. Google create the People Analytics Department, Performance Review, and Employee Surveys. Employees were required to provide example of good manager behavior in nomination application. Next is communication. Verbal communication is the use of language to transfer information through speaking or sign language, which is presentation, video, conference, and phone call.
So, the disadvantage of TQM. First, cost reduction. Reduce costs throughout an organization, especially in the areas of scrap, reward, field service, and warranty cost reduction. 2. Customer satisfaction. Fewer complaints may also mean that the resources devoted to customer service can be reduced. 3. Moral. In turn, reduce employee turnover. 4. Assure better quality performance in every sphere of activity. Promoting proper work culture and effective teamwork. And the last one, it's help in developing an adequate system of communication. Bind together members of various related sections, departments and levels of management for effective communication and interactive. Thank you.
The first disadvantage of TQM, total quality management, is required decommitment. Example, lack of efforts or resources will undermine the success of TQM programs, causing negative ripple throughout the company. The second advantage of TQM is demand a change in culture. Example, require a long-term management commitment and constant employer involvement. The third disadvantage is quality is expensive. Implementation often comes with additional training costs, infrastructural improvement costs. The another disadvantage of TQM is take years to show results. Example, long-term process that show result only after years have passed. It requires perseverance, passion, dedication and motivation. The last disadvantage is discourage creativity. Example, focus on task standardization to ensure consistency, discourage creativity and innovation.
My name is Murni Nadirah. I want to conclude about TQM is ethical that approach of the firm to provide their product or process involving all stakeholders in order to satisfy their customer even to enhance performance and persistence. TQM need to be implemented continuously. The synergy among the TQM factors bring about exceptional or important improvement in the firm performance. Even though TQM have advantage and disadvantage, this model describes the primary quality management method which may be used to assess an organization present strength and weakness. Last but not least, the model can also be used as a tool for evaluating the quality management maturity in an organization.